Imagine an environment where the air itself is a silent killer, where every second of exposure is a calculation of risk, and where human entry isn't just dangerous, it's impossible. In the late 90s, I found myself standing at the edge of the Chernobyl sarcophagus. Our mission was the Pioneer Robot Project, tasked with venturing into the structural ruins of Unit 4 to map the radioactive ruins. It wasn't just an engineering challenge, it was a high-consequence theater where the margin for error was zero. That mission taught me a fundamental truth. When the environment is at its most unpredictable, the technology must be at its most resilient. My journey didn't stop at the gates of Chernobyl. I spent decades bridging the gap between cutting-edge labs and the world's most hazardous environments. From my time at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory and Sandia National Laboratory, working on international safeguards, to my role as Assistant Secretary of Defense for Critical Technologies, I have overseen the evolution of the very systems that keep humans out of harm's way. I've seen the valleys of death that kill innovation, and I've helped build the roadmaps for autonomy and human-machine interfaces that define modern defense. I've navigated the transition from lab to prototype and from prototype to product, ensuring that the robots we build for the battlefield are as hardened as the ones we built for the reactor core. During my presentation, we'll go deeper than just cool hardware. We'll explore the crisis management through three lenses. The technical, how do we design for graceful degradation in environments like radiation zones or electronic warfare theaters that are designed to destroy sensors? The interface, the evolution of human-machine interfaces. How do we ensure a soldier or a first responder can trust an autonomous system when the stakes are life and death? The ethical, as we move toward more autonomous systems in the Department of Defense. How do we maintain human-in-the-loop oversight while operating at the speed of modern conflict? The next crisis, whether it's a nuclear containment failure or high-tech battlefield, won't wait for us to perfect the tech. We have to build for the unpredictable today. I've spent my career putting robots in harm's way so that people don't have to be. I've seen what happens when the ecosystem fails, and I've seen what happens when we successfully bridge the gap from a prototype to a product that saves lives. My name is Maynard Holliday. Let's talk about the future of autonomy, the lessons of the past, and how we build machines that can survive the world's most dangerous places.